If my life is empty of glory, please respect my minute to decay. I have lost all my illusions in this Sunday gloomy day. I am trapped in my own home, ain't got no any new. When you're feeling like a dead dog, you cannot expect all misery. I don't talk with nobody, nobody with wisdom to speak. I am tired of the meaningless, I am tired of words in vain. When the trouble's knocking on my door, seems the blame is all of me. I'm just sitting here alone again, with all plans flown away. I know my ground better than no one, 'cause no one is never here. I am tired to cut my skin with razor blades and bottles and thin. I long for the long time, I don't expect nothing but day. If you don't want to compromise, oh, please don't play the